Hey there, new scrapbookers. Today I'm sharing the top 5 skills you should learn to create stunning scrapbook layouts. Just like a knitter needs to know the knit and purl stitch before they make their first scarf, scrapbookers need to get comfortable with the following skills as they are the foundation of scrapbooking. Let's get into photography. Why does it matter? Well, good pictures enhance the visual appeal of your layouts, and here's how you can master it. Take photos from various angles, so for example, use close-ups, wide and medium shots, and even selfies. Capture facial expressions and reactions to add depth to your memories. You can also experiment with different settings on your camera to achieve interesting effects. My favorite mode is portrait, and I use it on my camera phone to create a blurry background and sharpen the focus on my subject. Color. Why does it matter? A well-coordinated color scheme can evoke the right emotions and tie your entire scrapbook page together. How you can master it? Choose color combinations that complement your photos and explore basic color theory by learning about complementary, analogous, and monochromatic color schemes. Use color wheels and swatches for guidance. I like to use Adobe Color, which is a free online color wheel that can help you experiment with striking color combinations that resonate with the mood or theme of your memories. Journaling and storytelling is so important. It matters because they add context and depth to your scrapbook layouts. It's a skill that allows you to tell the story behind the photos, creating a richer and more meaningful experience for those looking through your albums. You can master it by practice writing short and impactful captions. Experiment with different journaling styles from long form to bullet points. Share as many details as possible using the 5 W's and H: who, what, when, where, why, and how. Consider what people looking at your scrapbooks in the future would want to know. Remember, your words and story are just as important as the visuals. Embellishment clustering. Wow, that's a tricky one. Why does it matter? Well, embellishments add personality and flair to your layouts, and learning how to choose and place embellishments enhances your layout's overall aesthetic and theme. You can master it by choosing embellishments that complement your photos and don't overshadow them. Pick up to 7 pieces in varying sizes and use odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. Layer them on top of each other and add foam tape to lift some items from the others to create an exciting cluster effect. And this leads us to, ta-da, layout design. Why does it matter? Well, you know why. Because how you arrange the elements on your page influences the flow and impact of your scrapbook pages. A well-designed layout guides the user through a cohesive storytelling experience. How can you master it? This is probably the trickiest skill in scrapbooking. And for beginner scrapbookers, I encourage you to use scrapbook sketches or patterns. These are pre-designed layout templates, usually created by a scrapbook designer, that you can use to help you make pages quickly and easily. These templates have design principles baked in, so you can be confident that your pages will be well composed by using them. Remember, it takes time to learn these skills, but your creativity and unique scrapbooking style will eventually shine through. Embrace the learning process and have fun. So, which skill are you eager to hone? Let me know in the comments. Is it photography, color, journaling, embellishment clustering, or layout design? Or maybe it's all of the above. Thanks for watching and happy scrapping.